been scrolling job boards, watching get-rich videos, maybe even applying to gigs that pay peanuts, and you're still stuck wondering, is there actually a lazy way to make real money online? Yes, and today, breaking down the 5 laziest methods to hit $100 a day online. No degree, no experience, no special skills required. Let's go. Welcome back to Cashflow Hacks, the channel where we turn your phone and your free time into actual income. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now, because we drop money moves every single week. Method number 1: get paid to answer questions. Sites like study.com, Justanswer, and StudyPool pay regular people to answer questions on topics they already know. You don't need a degree. You just need to know something: cooking, parenting, basic math, fitness, anything. Some answerers on Justanswer pull in $2,000 to $7,000 a month just answering questions from their couch. Sign up. Set your rate. Answer when you feel like it. That's as lazy as it gets. Method number 2: sell AI-generated digital products. This one is massive right now. You use free AI tools ChatGapt, Canva AI, Midjourney to create digital downloads like planners, journals, resume templates, or wall art. Then you list them on Etsy or Gumroad. You make them once. They sell forever. No shipping, no inventory, no customer calls. One seller I researched makes over $4,000 a month from printable planners she made in a single weekend. Set it up once. Collect money while you sleep. Method number 3: get paid to test websites. Companies pay real money for regular people to click around their websites and give feedback. User testing and testbirds pay around $10 per test, and each test takes about 15 to 20 minutes. That means you can realistically make $30 to $40 in an hour just by giving your honest opinion. You don't need to be a tech person. If you can use a phone or laptop, you qualify. This is literally getting paid to browse the internet. Method number 4: rent out stuff you already own. This one requires zero work after setup. Rent your car on Turo. Average hosts make $500 to $700 a month per vehicle. No car? Rent your parking spot on Spothero or Neighbor. Rent storage space in your garage or basement on Neighbor.com. Rent your camera equipment on ShareGrid. You already own this stuff. It's just sitting there. Put it to work. Method number 5: become a TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit connects people who need help with small tasks: assembling furniture, hanging a TV, and picking up groceries with people like you who want fast cash. The average TaskRabbit earns $35 to $75 per hour. No resume needed. No interview. You set your availability. You pick your tasks. You get paid directly. IKEA even has an official partnership with TaskRabbit, which means a constant flow of customers who need furniture built. This is not a hustle you have to chase. The customers come to you. Now look, I called these the laziest methods, but lazy doesn't mean instant. You still have to show up, at least for a few hours. The difference is these don't require years of learning, expensive courses, or being some kind of expert. They require a device, a few hours, and the decision to actually start. The biggest mistake people make is waiting until they feel ready. You're already ready. You just needed a list. Pick one method from today's video and try it this week. Just one. Drop in the comments which one you're going for. I read every single comment, and I want to know your plan. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It seriously helps this channel reach more people who need this information. And subscribe if you haven't yet, because next week, we're going even deeper on passive income strategies that work in 2 to 5. I'll see you in the next one. Let's get that cash flowing.